Hello. This is a graph, and we're going to be working backwards to find the equation for this secant and cosecant graph.
Yay.
Okay, so as you see here, this is the sine or cosine graph, and here are the asymptotes, and this is the line of origin, and here's the secant and cosecant graph.
Good.
Alright, so first, to create an equation, we have to find different parts of the original equation of y equals a sine or cosine b x minus c plus d. And we gotta find the period.
I like your colons.
Me too. Anyway, alright, so a is the amplitude. So to find amplitude, we look at the line of origin and see how far from the line of origin to the max point, and it's 1 unit, and you can check that with going from the line of origin to the minimum. So it's 1. Alright, b is 2 pi over p. So that's 2 pi over p. Now we gotta find p to make this equation work. And the period is 1 full cycle. So if we start here, go all the way up, down, and back up to where it starts to continue up again, is 1 full period. And 1 full period goes from negative pi over 6 to pi over 2, which is
2 pi over 3.
2 pi over 3. Alright, so the period is 2 pi over 3. Okay, now we must calculate that. So we plug in 2 pi all over 2 pi over 3. That's an awful 3. And that goes, you can solve that by going 2 pi times 3 over 2 pi. And those cancel. So B equals 3. Actually, go up there and insert 3. Alright. C is the vertical translations, and cosine starts up at the y-axis, as we all know. So it starts normal, so it has no c. So for cosine equals 0. Now for sine, since it starts down here, it's a horizontal shift of pi over 6, or pi over 6. So, and since it goes to the right, it's negative. Sine is negative pi over 6. Now D. D is where the line of origin is, which is at 2. Let's go 2. Alright, now we can plug in these into the equation. A sine or cosine b x minus c plus d, which equals...
You can erase some of that if you want.
That's okay.
Okay.
Which will be sine 3 x minus pi over 6 plus 2. Now that's for the sine equation. To change this to the cosecant, change that to that. And now it's almost the same thing for cosine. You just enter in SEC. Wow. Okay. Secant 3, and since it doesn't have the c, you just go x plus 2.
Huzzah!
And those are your equations.
Woot. You're done.